Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Ow! Clip your freaking toenails! God.
Something wrong with my toenails.
Yes, Paul.
They're not even long.
Razor sharp.
That's It's not disgusting. No, it's not. Because my
nails are not razor even long. They're not even long. I clipped them days ago with my new clippers. You're so... You are! Oh my god, I'm summer, I'm scared. Break it out. I'll be done. Oh! Hide! I think it's razor sharp. Pencil. It's like stuff. It's like a snake. Like, stop. Really just poison. And together make them die for your clothes, and urine is good for you. Ew. Urine? Yeah. Urine. Oh, that's a word. And most of your cleaning things for acne is made of... Oh, yeah. I'm not using that anymore. Disgusting. That's diabolical. Urine. Word. Urine. Urine. No. Urine. Yes, yes, yes. About 259 feet. Two, 274. 276. 92. 92. Oh, almost 300. Almost 300. We're almost there. Yo. Oh, boy, just exploded. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Well, that was avalanche. That was avalanche.
That was avalanche.